door to nowhere. We may actually keep this here for now. Might use it for, put another dock here and do our fishing out there. That foundation piece will not reach the bottom of the lake, so it would require a second foundation piece underneath to make it look like it's real. What's that? Breathing animal? Yeah. Well, this is getting a lot nicer, right? Almost have a regular base here. This hall, I've been thinking about this over here. And I'm thinking about going another foundation wide and having a doorway that goes out this direction. Might have to go too wide. Two more pieces out here. Make one more area for the room. Like 3 squares on this side of the short wall. And then have another square out here that will have a door like this on it, on the inside of it. And then have a hallway that runs to the east, out towards the mountain that way. And we'll see how that works out if we decide to do that. It sounds like fun. Sounds different. Gives a lot of extra layering on that side. I'm not sure exactly where the enemies are going to attack from. I suspect from the southwest because Alpha's over there. And I think we're going to get attacked from over there to the northeast. Too cold to do anything about that, but there's got to be somebody fairly close. No, right here. Wow. That would be rogues. Yeah, they're right over there. They're being attacked by animals. If I had my rifle, I would help the bear out. That's okay. That'd probably get me attacked. Probably wouldn't want to do that. I'm low on vegetables and stuff. Fruits and vegetables and berries. I don't have anything. I have a steak that I really can't eat right now. So I've got a problem right over there. Maybe the animals will deal with them before I have to deal with them. In any event, I will be heading out this door probably in the morning when I head out. Short on wood too. Getting a bit of ash. That's nice. And probably need to get a planter bed. Yeah, we'll have to let our power recover. I have a lockpick, so I'm in good shape for leaving when daylight gets here. I don't need to do any fishing, but I do need kelp or any other see green light, so they're still alive. Who? They are close. Uh-oh. Right over there now. This is a dangerous place, isn't it? I don't know if the lights matter. hurt. Yeah, I would have shut that off. There's somebody right over there. Yeah, I could. There's two of them, you see? They are close. You see, they're the same direction as Alpha Camp over there. I'm not going that direction anyway. And if I did want to go south on the map, I could still get over south, but I'd have to go up through the mountains. Okay. They're not a problem. Unless I forget. And I head off that direction, which I don't think I'll do. Okay. A little short on cordage. Short on, well, I'm not short on cordage. There's one down here. Should put those together. Yeah, seeds probably should go along this edge because there are 6 seeds, six along this edge. That doesn't matter though. There's a blueberry there. Can't possibly ignore that. Okay, I think I'm just gonna... Oh, wait a second. I have a power supply unit here. Let's go ahead and drop this here. How are we doing on planks? 5. Wood? None. 29 here. Yeah, you know, this is gonna be just a major looting day. Let's fill this up. Let's go ahead and eat the blueberry. I see a guy over there on the hill. You see him? Right there. Now they come fishing over here. Bravo Camp. There's a bear right there. Grizzly bear, I think. No, that's just the water rushing off that thing. There's usually a grizzly bear up there. Ooh, I don't have another one of those. I didn't even know it was in such bad shape. 442. I wouldn't have done all that except for I was still fairly close to home. And I don't want to be... I don't want to be held back from being able to do ores for the rest of the day. Speaking of ores, there's a copper over here. I was gonna say it's dangerous standing over here because they will come fishing. probably going to keep me from this tree. Is he going to go after that deer? If he does, I could probably do that tree. I don't think he's going to, though. There he is. Let's see if anything's sneaking up on me. Nope, he ain't gonna do it. Is he? So do you have to wonder if that was worth it? To make that calculation, you'd have to say, do I need grubs? No, not really. So I could have been pounding on any tree instead of having to sit there and waste a few seconds doing that. I didn't notice if there were any other rogues around. I just noticed the one close to the camp, and my mind was fixed on that one. There might still be rogues out here. Bear over there under the tree. You know, I think I want to head off to the northeast a bit. Take a look in at Bravo if I can from a distance. If I head the direction I was heading, I would end up at the fence soon enough. I think I'd just soon run off this direction. Good decision so far. There's another tree up there, grub tree I can get up there if I want. If it's not being guarded by some beast. Big bear over there. Nice. Getting some nails. Potassium, maybe? Could be iron. It's potassium. Yeah, there's a bear right up over there. wonder how close I am to Bravo right here. Let's check a map real fast. Quite a ways, I think. Well, no, they're down here. That's fairly close. Probably up over that hill, up over the rise. I'm gonna go and try to get up on this rise someplace over here where I'm protected by a rock or something. So I'm kind of neglecting my chores here. Gotta get back to cutting trees. Where exactly are they? Over here to the south. Like I'm looking. They're fairly out of the way. I can head off this direction safely. See, one of my big things today is to do a little photography. I have a little note here to prove it. We're over in mulch country here. Big bear. Well, rogue's right over there, you see. Alright. So there's rogues over here too. Oops, done that one. Oh, come on. Better eat that. Uh-oh. Lost my steak. I think I'd been hanging on to it for too long. Not this time. I'm sorry, guy. I will need food. Wonder how my platform is doing down here. These guys are over there. Some rogues right over there. They may come down here fishing. There's my platform. My fire is missing. They're right up there. Ooh, that wasn't very smart. I hit the jump, but nearly jumped off the rock. I'm missing too much. Where's my arrow? There it is. See, now I'm starting to wonder, is this worth it, right? He's way over there. He's over behind that tree. In front of it. Oh, man. Ouch. Yeah. There goes sunk cost, right? I haven't lost an arrow yet. Fence. What's this? I'll take it. Yeah, 10 planks. Great. A little adhesive, some cordage, weapons parts. Oh, goody. I think I can actually do this now. Uh-huh. Check my ammunition to see it's even worthwhile to get the 44. Blueberry. Eat it. Carrot, yes, eat that too. Sun going down a little bit? Kind of. Got an animal in front of me. I'm going to have to detour around him. There. There's a crate down over here. There's a blueberry. Desperate for that. Yep, I'm on the move here. Uh-oh, I just lost all of my stamina. That's bad. Except for I do have a shotgun. If I have to shoot this guy, I most certainly could. He isn't gonna make me, is he? We'll see. See, I just run a little teensy bit just to see if I can gain a little distance away from him. Turn around. And he's gone. Okay. Avoid animals the rest of the way home. And rogues. And this is a long way. I've got a long walk. Try to go down this way. not go up way up into the mountains. Well, I probably could use the meat, right? Maybe he'll ignore me. Maybe I go up over this rock. Just to avoid him. More running. See, this is why you carry protein bars. Except for I don't have any. I have some at home, I think. Yeah, I've got 0. It's because I lost that piece of steak, and I really had intended on eating it a little earlier, but I just forgot about it. Just a little bit too long. He's a 105. He's just like any other. It's just, he probably best to get him on a flat trajectory where he's coming straight at you. If there's any undulations in the landscape or anything like that, it gets kind of dangerous. There's that one. Let's see if I can avoid both of them. Find one wolf that isn't quite so dangerous. What's that? Rabbit being guarded by a wolf. He just went right through the legs of that wolf. I think I just need to take a swim. Relax for a second here. See if I can find a bit of kelp or something. See some sandstone, it's safe. I got rogues in the area, so I gotta be careful here. Not to get noticed too much. Both of these were alive, I think. That's terrible. Stamina's rising slightly. I need another lockpick. More importantly, I think I need to get myself a plant bed, clearly. Okay, so, wow, I have everything on me. Just the junk I made, or got today. So, let's do that. Onion seed. Let's see what I've got. I have tomatoes, look at that. Carrots. It's mainly about food at this point. Onions aren't very good as far as food goes. I'll just leave those alone. Potatoes aren't necessary either. Probably 169 will be enough. I'll have to water this. Putting it up on the roof is a problem because it's hard to get to water. Harder. It's not very hard, but I could do it up there. Okay. I'm gonna have to get me a few canteens. And canteens cost what? I kind of just need some cordage. Oops. Okay. Okay, that'll be it. I'll start putting some of this stuff away here. Nice, huh? Lots of ores here. Haven't been refined yet. That's okay. We don't have the power to really do that. "29 grubs. Feathers. Lots of glue. Okay, let's get some water. Very good. I'm going to put it in this crate because the other one doesn't have much room in it. More stuff over in this one. There's still 6 slots available, but the ash is in that one. I need a rifle. Could get the handgun, but I'm ready to go with the rifle here. 15. It's cheaper to go this route. But I don't think I have the ammunition for that weapon. Yeah, I've got 4 rounds is all. I've got enough gunpowder and casings to make quite a bit, but yeah. For long distance shots, the rifle's better. For running into rogues and getting yourself out of trouble, the revolver's better. But with 4 rounds, it'd be better to go with the rifle, I think. Can I, though? I have... Yeah. Let's move these over. Put these back. Lots of those. For cloth. Yes. What I need, probably, is breakfast, right? Look at that, it's light already. Let's take a look here real fast. Okay, this is the, this is Bravo. This is Alpha. That's funny. Don't see any rogues. They could be under the trees in here. Pretty sure that they can probably not be spotted this time of the day if they are under the trees. Okay. Feeling safe. Like I can go out today without being attacked. Let's go ahead and do a little fishing though. Maybe do some kelping as well. Actually, I gotta stop this game. But I do need to eat something, so let me eat something real fast. Looks like a big one. Yeah. Say this will help, right? What were we doing here? Rifle, right? And that will go here in my where I put the fishing pole. water bottle out of here. So that was day 16, and half of March is over. I'll go ahead and say goodnight.